In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off vibration on Duolingo. If those little buzzes during lessons are distracting, this quick walkthrough will show you the exact place to switch them off without silencing the important audio you still want to hear. Start by opening the Duolingo app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load to the main screen. You don't need to open a lesson. We're heading straight to your account area where all the key app preferences live. Look along the bottom of the screen for your profile avatar. It's the small circular icon that shows your picture or initials, usually on the right side of the bottom bar. Tap that to open your profile. This section is where Duolingo keeps options related to your account and device behavior. At the top right corner of your profile, you'll see a small gear-shaped icon. That's the settings button. Tap it to open the app's settings panel. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Duolingo updates its look from time to time, but the gear icon remains the fastest path to the settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the General section. This area groups everyday preferences that affect how the app feels while you practice. If you're on a slightly different layout, you may see similar language like App Settings. General is the place that controls things like sounds and feedback. Within General, look for sound effects and switch it off. On Duolingo, the brief vibrations you feel during lessons are tied to sound effects and haptics. Turning off sound effects stops those buzzes along with the little interface clicks while leaving lesson audio, like spoken prompts, untouched. The change takes effect immediately. You can back out to a lesson and tap a few answers to confirm that there's no vibration. If you still feel haptics after switching this off, double check that the toggle's saved and make sure you're not on a device-wide setting that forces haptics, as some phones can override app preferences. A quick note on wording. Depending on your app version, you might see sound, SFX, or haptics listed nearby. The toggle you want is the one that controls effects and feedback, not the main volume slider. This won't disable speaking or listening exercises, and you can still adjust media volume with your device buttons. That's all you need to do. Open Duolingo, go to your avatar, tap the gear, head to General, and turn off sound effects. Your lessons should now be quiet and vibration-free so you can focus entirely on your practice.